one is the Parrot 3200 LS Color, which is a built-in car kit system that downloads your phone book, and if you upload pictures of the people that you call on your phone, it will also display the colors. It's completely linked up to the starting system of the car, so whenever you get a call, the music from the radio is muted, and you can do your phone calls via a built-in little microphone near your face to make safe calls while keeping your hands on the wheel. Down there is the Parrot Rhythm and Blue. It's a car stereo. So it's a car radio, also with built-in Bluetooth hands-free system. Same situation. Whenever you're listening to the music and you get a call, you can pick up the call, the music is muted automatically. It also downloads your phone book, and it has built-in CD and MP3 capability as well.
Okay.
And then right here in the corner is the Parrot MK 6100. It has a detachable front, so there is no risk for theft, so you can take that with you. It's a small OLED screen displaying the caller IDs, but at the same time also it has the Bluetooth stereo music profile, the A2DP profile, which means that you can stream music wirelessly from your phone to the car stereo via the MK 6100. It comes with a small remote that can be attached to the steering wheel, so at the same time you don't have to keep your hands from the steering wheel while browsing through your music or taking up your calls or going through your contact list in your phone book of your phone.